When an automotive technician calls the parts counter for an AC compressor replacement, counter pros should do more than just look up the part. They help guide the conversation toward what caused the failure and what needs to be addressed to prevent a comeback. A failed compressor is rarely a standalone issue. The real question isn't just what part do you need, it's what happened inside the system and what else could be affected. When a compressor fails, it can send metal debris and contamination throughout the entire AC system. If that contamination is not addressed, the new compressor can fail quickly. That's why system flushing should be part of the conversation. Flushing helps remove debris and contaminated oil from the lines and components that can be cleaned. It's not an upsell, it's part of doing the job correctly. Leaving contamination behind puts the replacement compressor at risk right from the start. The condenser is another important piece to discuss. Many modern condensers use very small internal passages that can trap debris. Once that contamination is inside, it's often difficult or even impossible to remove completely. That means the condenser can continue to hold debris or even restrict refrigerant flow, both of which can damage the new compressor. So when you're talking to a technician, don't just stop at the compressor. Ask the right questions like, was there internal failure? Are you planning to flush the system? Have you considered replacing the condenser? These questions help shift the focus from simply replacing a failed part to protecting the entire repair. And that's how you help reduce the risk of repeat failures. Preventing an AC comeback starts with thinking beyond the compressor. Address contamination, recommend flushing when appropriate, and make sure the condenser is properly evaluated and replaced when necessary. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.